of that order and warned, quote, if the court does not grant a stay by Thursday, September 15th, the government intends to seek relief from the 11th Circuit. That threat of appeal, the 11th Circuit appears to have gotten the judge's attention. Now, maybe she's looking for Trump and the government to work this out. Cannon issued a paperless order saying, quote, the parties are instructed to consider the DOJ's request to continue investigating the classified documents. Renato Mariotti is a former federal prosecutor, legal affairs columnist at Politico, where his latest piece is titled, Trump's lawyers might think they just won. They still botched the case. And he joins me now. So walk me through where we are procedurally here. The order was issued. DOJ responded to the order and said, this is crazy, but we're begging you to only stop this one portion where you said we can't use the 100 classified documents we have, which we've already segregated, for our investigative purposes. Please reconsider that. So she can now reconsider, right, before it gets appealed above her?
Yeah, that's right. They basically gave her an out, Chris. They said, look, we're going to, putting all the rest of this aside, we're going to try to resolve the issues regarding attorney-client privilege. We'll allow a special master for that. We're going to return a lot of his personal property. But as the classified documents, obviously the government owns those. Obviously, they're not attorney-client privileged. There is a very serious potential harm here to the public. And so if you don't give us an accommodation here to let us continue to investigate, to continue to determine whether or not those documents, for example, are a potential threat to national security, we're going to have to appeal. And, essentially, I think that order that you just mentioned is her sending an overture to Trump's team, please give me a way out of this by backing off of the classified documents.